In this video, I want to talk about how you can trade futures inside of Webull. Now, for this to work, you need to download the Webull app inside of your phone. So go and download the app. Once you've done that, we want to apply for the future trading. So to do this, what we want to do is go to our account. So inside of the app, you want to find menu, settings, manage account, and go to futures. Inside of here, we want to apply for the futures trading, and once we've been accepted, we can now start trading futures. So make sure you have some money on the account, so just deposit, and once you've done that, you want to find the future that you want to trade. So go to the trading section and look for the futures tab, or you can just search for the individual contracts. Once you're there, you just want to place the trade normally, like if you trade stocks or something. So just select buy or sell, choose the order type and how many contracts, and you can set the price and all of that. After you've done this, confirm it, and you have now started trading futures. So the difference between this and everything else is that you have to apply to be able to trade this. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.